Hello, it's AliMECH. In today's video, we're gonna be replacing a radiator outlet pipe on this 2008 Chevy Optra. Over time, it will get brittle and cracked, so it's time to replace it with a new one. So outlet radiator pipe located here, and the rest will be under the intake manifold. So we need to remove these hoses here, and under the intake manifold there are two 14mm bolts and this hose. These two bolts and this hose clamp under the intake manifold will take some time, but the rest is very easy. I recommend to use hose clamp pliers. It will make the job much easier for removing clamp under the intake manifold, which I will order one and add it to my tools as well. Number 13 is the radiator outlet pipe. Here I got a new one, and here's the part number. Alright, before doing anything, make sure the engine cold to touch. Sliding my drain pan under the car and remove the reservoir cap. That way you will be sure that the system not under pressure. Starting with removing these two small hoses and the bigger one, which goes to the radiator. While it's draining here, let's go under the intake manifold and remove the hose clamp. Next, let's undo these two 14mm bolts and then take the pipe out. Take your time and carefully pull it out, because you don't want to break it inside the hose. The crack got bigger when I pulled out and broke here. Removing wasn't that hard, just needed some time. Alright, let's put the new one on. I'm gonna start with inserting in the hose first, and then align the holes and put the bolts back. Everything done under the intake manifold, let's put the other hoses back. There is one thing to keep in mind, not to misplace these two hoses, because they are the same size. Okay, that was the last hose clamp and we are almost done. Last thing we need to do, refill radiator coolant with the same color. I had to use 4 liters of coolant to fill the radiator reservoir after replacing outer radiator pipe, so keep that in mind if you are doing the same job. Last thing we need to do, start the engine with the reservoir cap open and let all the bubbles out. And refill it when it gets low. Alright, the engine at the idling temperature and the coolant at max line. All the bubbles out, let's put the cap back on. And here is how to replace outer radiator pipe on 2008 Chevy Optra. Hope the video was helpful and learned something new. If it was, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.